Hey, how's it going? And I just wanted to do a update. I finally got it working where I've got the MetaHuman body animation and the MetaHuman facial animation all connected, so the head's not moving off. And I want to say this isn't that simple of a process, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial about it tomorrow. I just wanted to say that when you think about the work that it would take to do this by hand, even though it is a little bit of a process, it's so amazing what you end up with. I think it's incredible. So here's just a sample render of what I got so far.
We are House Atreides. There is no call we do not answer. There is no faith that we betray. The Emperor asks us to bring peace to Arrakis. House Atreides accepts!
And then tomorrow I'll be doing the tutorial on how to put this all together. The one note I wanted to say is that when I did this before, I put the audio here. I added the audio track inside of Unreal Engine, but what I did just to keep it from glitching up is I just added the audio track in the video editing program. So I didn't add the audio track here. I just added the audio track separately in the video editing, and I think that helped streamline the process a little bit. And of course, obviously, we're using a male voice and not a female voice, but I'm really impressed with the way the process is working out, and I think this just is opening up a whole wide world for me and hopefully for you too. So anyway, stay tuned, and tomorrow I'll be putting out the tutorial on how to put this all together.
We are House Atreides. There is no call we do not answer. There is no faith that we betray. The Emperor asks us to bring peace to Arrakis. House Atreides accepts! We are House Atreides. There is no call we do not answer. There is no faith that we betray. The Emperor asks us to bring peace to Arrakis. House Atreides accepts!